These inventions you're about to see are so incredible you can't afford to miss them. We start with a product that goes deeper than deep. Dive into the future of underwater inspection with Seadrone, the leader in the remote vehicle revolution. Imagine a world where inspecting ships in dry dock is not just a task, but an exciting and efficient experience. These underwater machines with American precision offer boat owners significant time and cost savings. Say goodbye to tedious and costly inspections. Seadrone replaces traditional methods with underwater certifications that are 5 to 8 times less expensive than diving equipment. Enough for a certified PDF report, supported by an app rich in visuals. Seadrone is not just a company, it's your partner in optimizing time and money. Welcome to the future of underwater inspection. Welcome to Seadrone. But if watching the ocean isn't your passion, let's go to land, or air. At the epicenter of the transportation revolution, Unit Sky String Technologies is redefining mobility with its innovative string rail system. Their patented pre-stressed rail structure technology is not only an engineering achievement, but a slap in the face to the transportation status quo, offering affordable efficiency. This mobility giant can transport up to 50,000 people per hour at an impressive speed of 150 kilometers per hour, all at an astonishingly low construction cost, 1 million monetary units per kilometer, a fraction of the conventional alternatives. The versatility of Unit Sky String Technologies is not limited to passenger transportation, it's also challenging the norms of freight transportation at half the cost of traditional railways. From picturesque Belarus, this source of disruptive innovation is changing the rules of the game, setting the stage for an era where efficiency and accessibility merge in perfect harmony. And transportation conventions are bidding farewell. But if you want some extra warmth and don't want to be in chilly Belarus, maybe the depths are your place. But they're too cold too, so what to do? Oxima Diving has launched Oxima, the first dive computer with oximeter and voice designed for diving. The innovative patent-pending technology consists of 2 modules, sensors and a bone conduction transducer and an adaptable face mask. It provides real-time biometric information, such as depth, temperature, and heart rate through a bone conduction voice assistant. The comfortable interface allows divers to focus on the dive. It also offers the convenience of reviewing data through an app. Available on Kickstarter, Oxima redefines the safety and comfort of diving by eliminating the need for a wrist computer, all for just $530. Now you have a reason to head to the beach, but what if you get a flat tire on the way? Get ready for Swiss innovation in mobility with this hero on wheels. This amazing Swiss automotive system is a true track robot capable of towing cars weighing up to 2 tons at a speed of 8 meters per minute. Its amazing endurance allows it to operate for a half an hour on a fully charged battery. This revolutionary package can be yours for just $7,000, including the robotic hero, its charger, and essential components. Are you ready to take mobility to new heights with this gem of Swiss engineering? The wheel revolution awaits. Now that you know nothing is going to stop you from enjoying your ocean, it's time to decide what to wear. And here we recommend something more perfect for you. Embrace the future of fashion with Adobe's Project Primrose, a revolution that goes beyond code. This bold project is redefining fashion by incorporating flexible textile displays into extraordinary garments. Imagine changing the pattern on your dress with a simple touch or movement. Project Primrose isn't just clothing. It's a dynamic experience where fashion comes to life with animated patterns. Although public availability is currently a mystery, we can enjoy a captivating palette of pure white and elegant silver. Are you ready to dress for the future? Fashion will follow you everywhere, but if you don't want to dive with it, there is a way to enjoy the sea and the air. Jetivation Inc., which has been forging the skies and seas since 2011, raises the aquatic adrenaline level with its groundbreaking Jetivator bike, the $2,975 flying bike. Unleash unique emotions that require a watercraft with at least 180 horsepower. Its innovative Freedom Flyer Kit, priced at $5,975, democratizes aquatic flight with comfort and intuitive control, originally designed for disabled veterans. This kit includes a sturdy aluminum frame, polyethylene body, padded seat, and auxiliary steering. Combining innovation with accessibility, Jetivation redefines water fun and introduces the amazing Jetivator, inspired by Star Wars and featured in Devon Supertramp's epic fan film. If this water jet amazed you, the next technological advancement will have you enjoying the asphalt like never before. Take to the streets and parks with the innovative Kickstick. Developed by the Rise Robotics team from the USA, this groundbreaking device unleashes 2 horsepower to propel you to astonishing speeds of up to 48 kilometers per hour. Perfect for adrenaline junkies and trick enthusiasts, this 2 horsepower engine takes skateboarding to the next level. Despite its modest 6-kilometer range, its compact design and resistance to dust and water make it a versatile companion. Priced at $400, the Kickstick redefines the electric skateboarding experience. Dare to ride with power and style. Oh, but for people who prefer to stay at home and play video games, there's a product that's more than perfect for you. The custom gaming desk for famous Dota 2 player Jirax is much more than just a piece of furniture. It was created by the fascinating company Univen, an innovative Finnish company that has revolutionized esports. Their masterpiece, this innovative folding design, hides a powerful gaming setup with the Ryzen 7 and an impressive RTX 4070 Ti, along with a 27-inch monitor for total immersion. While the $1,200 price tag may seem steep, this investment guarantees not just a desk, but an entry into a world where excitement and technology merge to deliver the ultimate gaming experience. Take your passion for esports to the next level with Univen. Get ready for an exhilarating gaming adventure. But what if you're someone who likes to stay home and not just play but swim in the ocean? I think there is a solution. Endless Pools redefines conventional swimming, turning it into an exhilarating and personalized experience that is the West Coast custom of pools. This innovative pool goes even further, incorporating a treadmill and pushing the boundaries of imagination by offering a state-of-the-art aquatic gym. It's not just a pool, it's a dream for both experienced and novice swimmers seeking excellence. Customization includes resistance flow systems, integrated exercise areas, and luxurious whirlpool tubs. Ideal for children learning to swim, Endless Pools combines fun and safety. Its patented app acts as a personal coach, making every stroke count. Diving into this aquatic innovation comes with a price tag of around $30,000. But how much is the experience of swimming in your own personal aquatic paradise worth? The answer lies in each exhilarating dive. And if you want to leave home and return quickly to continue enjoying your moment, then the next incredible invention is perfect for you. Discover the urban revolution with the P1, an electric scooter that goes beyond transportation to become a lifestyle icon. This American scooter redefines the rules by reaching speeds of 88.5 kilometers per hour. Offering an exhilarating experience and overcoming urban obstacles. Its impressive range of 97 kilometers on a single charge eliminates battery anxiety. But the P1 isn't just fast, it's versatile. Its interchangeable panels allow you to customize it instantly, from speakers to set the mood for your ride to changing its appearance in seconds. Charging is easy, just plug it into a standard power outlet. For $10,000, you can be at the forefront of this revolution by securing your P1 now. Conquer the city with style and speed, and leave the urban monotony behind. And speaking of versatility, the next invention you should know about will change your life forever and enhance your experience in front of your computer. Attention! Get ready for a game-changing shift in your relationship with your smartphone. Shocking statistics show that people spend 4 to 5 hours a day with their inseparable smartphones, with tablets, gaming consoles like the amazing Steam Deck, and other addictive gadgets thrown into the mix. Now imagine, while you're engrossed in your device, your neck becomes a true hero, carrying 12 kilograms at just a 15-degree angle. But fear not, because the visionaries at XNeck have the solution, a magical exercise device that strengthens your neck muscles and improves circulation for just $100. Free your neck. Invest in comfort and wellness. XNeck is the answer your neck has been waiting for. If you think this neck pillow is cool and futuristic, just wait until you hear about the next invention that will literally take you into the future. Urban Aero introduces the groundbreaking CityHawk, a 1-ton autonomous drone known for its ability to operate in confined urban spaces due to its rotorless design. It has demonstrated autonomy with a 40% payload. Equipped with advanced technology, the Cormorant matches the payload capacity and range of conventional helicopters. Powered by a Safran Ariel 2 engine, it's preparing to run on hydrogen. With room for 4 passengers and a pilot, this hydrogen-powered electric air taxi reaches speeds of up to 234 kilometers per hour and a range of 150 kilometers. Designed for all weather conditions, the CityHawk provides agile and efficient mobility even in adverse climates. And as we continue our journey to the future, this last incredible invention will blow your mind. Imagine a world where your visual stories transform into an exhilarating experience. In the cold north of Norway, the bold startup Viral redefines visual creativity with its revolutionary invention, a compact cable cam for photography and videography enthusiasts. More than an alternative to drones, the Viral is a tool that revolutionizes how you share amazing moments. The Viral Lite, quiet and agile, supports equipment up to 2 kilograms for 3 continuous hours, freeing you from constant recharges. Its quick setup in 3 minutes and the ability to reach speeds of 12.5 meters per second unlock a world of creative possibilities. All this for $424, a gateway to unlimited creativity.